Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Instagram. First step would be to open up your Instagram app on your phone. This works on both Android and iOS, so just follow the steps I'm taking. The next step would be to click the arrow/paper plane icon in the top right of your corner of your screen next to your like and notifications button, like the heart one to the right of that, which opens up this DM section. And in here, in order to create a group chat, you want to click the pencil icon in the top right again. This will open up new messages, and in here, you can then see suggested people to send these messages to. And once you've chosen a couple of these, let's do this. You then see the names of them at the top. And once you're done, you click chat. And now you have created a group chat. You would then hit message at the bottom, send the message to them. As you can see, now once you've sent a message, you will see the video call icon at the top. There's a eye icon, which will give you additional information about the group, and you can see the names of the participants at the top. And that's how you make a group chat in Instagram. I hope this video could help you out. If you did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.